Somebody should. Oh, I'm not that big, but. Oh, that's kind of a big piece. The one right there. Shit. Ooh. Ooh, they're getting bigger. Everybody's texting me, guys. Ooh, that's a big piece. These hails are kind of big. And there are people stuck in their cars. I don't want to show, but some of them are huge. Ooh. There was just a little dog out here too. Well, a bait dog. She like went back home, I think. Okay, I think her hail's good now. I hope. And my neighbors are stuck in their car. Sucks. I don't know whose fucking shoe that it's crazy. Anyway guys, I think that's all. But yep. Bye guys.